Why is statutory law important to the legal system? Imagine a world where rules are made up on the spot, and everyone decides what is right or wrong. Chaos would follow, right? That's where statutory law steps in to keep things organized. It is a key part of how our legal system works. These laws are written down and passed by government bodies called legislative branches. They set clear rules for everyone to follow, from individuals to big companies. When courts hear cases, they look at these laws to decide what is fair and just. Statutory laws are created through a formal process. Lawmakers draft bills, debate them, and then vote. Once a bill becomes law, courts enforce it. This process makes sure laws are consistent and fair. These laws also help prevent confusion because they give specific instructions about what is allowed and what is not. If a law isn't clear, judges interpret it to make sure everyone understands how to follow it. Statutory laws are part of a hierarchy. They must follow the Constitution, which is the highest law of the land. If a law conflicts with the Constitution, courts can strike it down. This keeps the system balanced and fair. In courtrooms, statutory laws help judges make decisions that are predictable. This means similar cases will usually have similar results, which is important for fairness. Judges relying on these laws to guide their rulings. They look at what the lawmakers intended when they wrote the law and apply it to the case. This helps keep decisions based on rules, not personal opinions. When courts interpret laws, their decisions can become precedents. These are examples that future courts follow, creating consistency over time. Legislative bodies can also review and change laws if needed. If courts interpret a law in a way lawmakers do not agree with, they can amend it. This keeps laws relevant and effective. In practical terms, statutory laws set the rules for how courts operate. They define what cases courts can hear and how trials are conducted. They also specify rights and obligations, like defining crimes or protecting civil rights. Courts interpret and enforce these laws to make sure justice is served. Overall, statutory law is vital because it provides the foundation for fair, clear, and consistent legal procedures. It guides judges, shapes legal rights, and allows lawmakers to keep the system functioning smoothly. Without these laws, the legal system would lack direction and stability, making it hard to resolve disputes fairly.